Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told to evaluate the indefinite integral below, which is the integral of the function x times cosine of x squared times e to the sine of x squared. First, notice that the derivative of sine of x squared is equal to cosine of x squared times 2x using the chain rule, which is equal to 2x times cosine of x squared. And we can see that we have an x times cosine of x squared term in the integral. So this means that we can apply the method of substitution to find the antiderivative of this function. So we can let u be equal to sine of x squared, which means that du is equal to 2x times cosine of x squared dx. And since we only have x times cosine of x squared, then we can divide both sides by 2, and we get that 1/2 du is equal to x times cosine of x squared dx. And now, subbing in u equals sine of x squared, and 1/2 du equals x times cosine of x squared, we get that the integral of x times cosine of x squared times e to the sine x squared dx is equal to the integral of 1/2 times e to the u du. And applying the constant multiple rule, this is equal to 1/2 times the integral of e to the u du. And the antiderivative of e to the u is just equal to e to the u plus some constant c. So this is equal to 1/2 times e to the u plus some constant c. And now we can sub u equals sine of x squared back in, which means that the integral of 1/2 times e to the u du is equal to 1/2 times e to the sine of x squared plus some constant c. So therefore, the integral of x times cosine of x squared times e to the sine of x squared dx is equal to 1/2 times e to the sine of x squared plus some constant c. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.